Hey parents, if you're looking for the best way to boost your child's reading, writing, and storytelling creativity this summer, BaseKids-Storyverse is the right place for you. It is free, easy to use, and designed to spark creativity through interactive storytelling and game creation. Here is how it works. The first thing to do is to visit the BaseKids-Storyverse website. So let's go to the web page actually. So now once you get here, we are going to connect our wallet. So let's tap on wallet, connect wallet. So we are using MetaMask for this. We tap on MetaMask, and as you can see, it's already connected, but I want you to take a look at this. Tap on this MetaMask connection here. So I need you to take a look at this. As you can see here, we have base Sepola testnet, which means it's still in the testnet version. So we need to tap on this base Sepola testnet to switch over to base mainnet. I explained what the difference is in the previous video, where testnet means fake phones. You don't need real phones to interact on testnet, whereas mainnet means you're using mainnet means you are connecting on the main base ecosystem network. So as you can see, let's tap on it again. As you can see here, our base mainnet has been connected, which means any transaction we are making here, we are using our real funds to transact. So here, which means this project is live as well. So here, what we can do here now is, if, like I said earlier, if you have been interacting on this page, you can just go ahead and click on my story, and you see list of stories you've minted earlier. But if you are new or you're a newbie, once you collect your wallet, you can go ahead and start creating stories. You can add story parts. You can drag and drop. Now we, due to the time for this hackathon, we were not able to do a lot of things. So, but in future, we are going to, although we are still working on it, we are going to be able to edit this drag and drop features so that you can select and add your creativity, bring your creativity to life. So now you can create as much story as you can. You can add as much feature as you want. Now once you are done adding your stories, come over to this place that says mint and mint. Tap on it and type the name of your story. You can say, all right, my first day at school, my first day on base. Yes, so this is actually for the base batch. All right, build a turn. So this is, I just wrote the title of this story and the description for it. So I'll click on this that says mint. Okay, it will prompt up our wallet so that we can actually go ahead to mint this story. Now, like I said in the previous video, as a parent, you have the capacity to monitor what your child is doing. As you can see, it's still minting. It is supposed to say done, but it's not yet. It didn't say done. It just stopped. That means it has minted. So when we check our profile, we are going to see it. Okay, so we are having a little technical issue with our stories, even though it takes some time before you can see your story. So you just need to refresh your page and wait a little bit. So after a little bit, sometimes it takes a while before you can see it. So but you can just keep checking your profile, and once it comes there, voila, you are good to go. Now the next page here is the parent page. This is the page that gives every parent the access to monitor or to track what his or her child is building on the space. You have the capacity to see the stories your child is interacting with and the stories your child has built for himself. Now in future, we have we plan to have a feature where we plan to have a feature where the children can share their stories, and where other people can see the children's stories and all that and all that, so that it's a community thing, so that other people can get to see how creative your child is and get inspired by the stories your child means and all that and all that. It also gives your child the capacity to own a project for himself. It's like more like an intellectual property right that your child gets from this particular innovation. So this is just it from us. I hope you enjoy making use of this app. Thank you so much. Bye.